to the pride in him, right? Support the team, all right? Cool. Thank you. Jamaican people, Caribbean people, black people, everybody on the ball we call the earth. Check it out. Love and respect. Anyone will try to push you over and over. Howell, wonderful brethren, great spirit. You tune in on this, the Jamaican flag, which tells us that he's very proud to be a Jamaican. There's a remarkable stone which the builder refused, memoirs of a Jamaican immigrant who went from not having a TV at home in Jamaica to becoming TV producer in America. An American success story. Trust me, Howell, I do sincerely hope with the help of all of the people who are looking on, this book flourishes, you know, and not only that it flourishes, but people will take a page, so to speak, out of your book. No pun intended, and really lift themselves up. Love and respect,
man. Respect, man.